Hey you guys, and what is up, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annabelle, the Curvy Planner on Instagram, YouTube, all of social media, and today I wanted to do a quick little flip through and just chat about my Hobonichi weeks. I love this little planner. I'm honestly like not using it to its full capacity, I feel like, or at least like to the point that I could be using it at, but I've been using other planners and trying other planners out. So I haven't been really as consistent in this one, but I want to change that. And I figured I would show you all kind of where I'm at and how I'm using this so far. So to start off with, this is not a cover. This is actually a wallet that I got from Amazon, and it was actually very, very inexpensive. I thought it was really, really affordable. I did do a video of this, so I will go ahead and link that down below in the description box. So if you haven't seen it, you can definitely watch it. It's been a few weeks since I've bought it, and this goes with me pretty much everywhere, so it's been holding up pretty well. So I love it, and I put a little ollie clip here. It looks adorable. But anyways, let's go ahead and jump in. I added this little disco ball. I think it's just so cute, and it matches like the cover that I made for it. But anyways, this is kind of what it looks like. This is just going to be a quick little flip through, nothing fancy. But I added some note cards here. These are like some just AM PM cards from Cloth and Paper. This is from GG Plannery. Cloth and Paper. This, I think it's Paper Panda. I'm pretty sure it's Paper Panda. This little clear one is GG Plannery, and the card below it is Cloth and Paper. This is from GG Plannery also. I love it. It's so cute, and I just stick it in there for whenever I need to use it. I made the little cover that's inside of here, and I laminated it, and I just put it in the clear cover, and I think it just looks so cute, and it kind of matches the look and aesthetic that I'm kind of going for. I have some stickers here that I'm using for the month of February, and I made a little like vision board of what I want to, I guess you can say, do in 2023. So I did do a video on that, so I'll also link it down below. And then I added some pictures of people I love, like my niece and nephew, my husband, my best friend, just some friends, like, you know, all that stuff. So, and this is my word of the year. It's a little crooked, but that's fine. It's fine. I'm still kind of sad about it, but it's fine. And yeah, I don't know what to use this for, if I'm being honest. I thought about taping this together because I don't think I'm going to use it. On here on the monthly section, I just add the YouTube videos that I'm going to post for that day, or at least that I'm planning on posting. I kind of make this as like a rough draft, and then if I stick to it, awesome. If I don't, then that's fine. And then for the month of January, I kind of changed it up, and I've been posting Tuesday, Thursday, and scratch that, Saturday. But that's kind of what I've been doing. There's times where I haven't been able to keep up with that, but that's what I'm like trying to commit to as far as now. I haven't filled out February, which I need to, but it just kind of like repeats itself. Like on Tuesdays, I'm trying to post just vlogs. Thursdays, like just any video, like whether it be a vlog or a plan with me, and Saturday I'm trying to do Hobonichi plan with me's. That may change at one point, but that's so far what I'm doing. Let me go ahead and skip to January. I did get this planner later on in like I think I got it, I'll show y'all. I'm pretty sure it's like the first or second week of January. I'm not exactly sure, but it looked kind of sad when it wasn't filled out. So I filled it out, and I added a little bit of decorations just to make it look a little cuter. These are from Whimsy Luxe. This is pet tape that my friend gave me. These are from, I think it's Starkey from Instagram. Happy Planner. This is pet tape. I think that looks so cute. And then, yeah, this is kind of where I started. So it was like the second week of January. And I just added these stickers from Daiso. And I think it looks really cute. And I just add my work schedule, things that I have to do, some like little to-do list. And that's basically it. I added my currently reading, which I probably should have done elsewhere. Although I think I finished these. I'm not even sure. But see, I didn't do my gratitude. Like, I feel like I don't do a very good job with this side. This side is just like my schedule and like things I have to do basically. At times, I don't do too well. But I switched it up this week. I put in like the things that I had to do. And then I added these emojis kind of like showing what I actually did do. I don't have a whole ton of little emoji stickers from Coffee Monster Co. So I kind of try to be resourceful with them. But that's kind of like I did read that day. So I had a little reading emoji. And this here is just a little washi from Coffee Monster Co. And I added like my to-do list here. My favorite memory, which I didn't even fill out. This is from... It was a sticker sheet that Natasha gave me at Go Wild. These little stickers are from Amber Plans Your Day. And then there's this week, which I think it's so cute, but I only like filled out my work schedule, little things that I had to do here and there. I didn't even work out. I started feeling pretty ill around this time, like I was pretty bad. So I kind of did what I could do. And then this week I started feeling a little bit better. And then I did fill out like my work schedule, which is what I always do. Try to put in my my to-do things like going to the Spurs game, edit the vlog, dinner, trash out, Spurs game, Pure Bar, like stuff like that. Record Hobonichi weeks. And this is the current week that we're on. I did, again, fill out my work schedule. I had a doctor's appointment and I decorated it. I always like do my best to decorate it. And honestly, it's such a fun planner to decorate that I just like enjoy being creative with this. So I don't know. I feel like if you want to try like a Hobonichi weeks, like definitely give it a try. It's just so much fun to decorate. And I used to be such a fan of the Skinny Mini from Happy Planner, and this kind of reminds me of that. I wish they would have bring something like that back, but I don't know, it's just fun to decorate and I enjoy it. And if I just decorate it one week and only put my work schedule, so be it. I just love being creative with it. And then in the back I did add washi I love, so I'm trying to keep like just the washi samples from Coffee Monster Co. I did leave a little blank here in case I get some more. And then these are from other shops. They're so cute. And then I wanted to dedicate this for like thoughts. And then I decorated a little bit. I figured like once I write in it, then I can go on to the next page and decorate it as needed. And I did leave quite a bit empty because this is a Hobonichi Weeks Mega. So it does have a ton of blank paper in the back. And then I just added this here because I honestly don't know. I figured it'd be like a notes section or like whatever. And then I really do want to do my top 100, but we'll see about that. I don't know. I thought it'd be fun, and I added a little tab on here in case I did want to give it a try. But that is it. On the back, I just have these sticky notes in case I were to need them. And then this right here is my pencil board. Oh, and then on the little ribbon divider, I did add a Coffee Monster Co. little clip, and I think it's so cute. And I just love it. I love this planner so much. It's tons of fun to decorate, to take with me, even if I don't do a whole lot with it, but I love it. It's tons of fun. But anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was a short one, but it was a good one. I hope you enjoyed this. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to watch more of my videos, please subscribe, and I will talk to y'all next time. Bye.